Hello everyone, on this video let's see how you can convert between a string and an int variable. Here on my program I have a string var that is a type string, and I'm initializing this variable with the following text. So it's 123. So it's a string, the value is between the apostrophes, and here I have an int result. So what I want to do is take this text and convert this into an int variable. So I just have to call a new box, and I need to call the function string to int because I want to convert a string value into an int type. Let's take and copy and paste our string var here on the left, because it's our input, and our output is an int value, so our int result is going to be placed on the right. I'm going to log into the PLC. Okay, you can see here that my text 123, that is a string, is converted into an int variable. It's a number. So if I write another text, like let's say 10,000. Okay, it's 10,000, but it's not a number. It's a text, it's a string, a chain of characters. But as I'm using a conversion function, string to int, it is converted to a number, an int type. Of course, this is a string. You can write anything like hello. In this case, hello is not a number. This function can only convert between a string that is a number. It cannot convert texts. So if I try to write hello on my string, my result is going to be 0. So he cannot convert hello into a type int.